Hello again. Today we are going to learn how to use Octane. It's a testing software. It is used before go live for UAT to check different scenarios, test scripts, whether it is working or not. So it's a kind of a testing software in which you can just give a green signal whether this scenario or process is working properly. You pass it. If it is not, you mark it as a defect. So in this video you will learn how to use this Octane, as well as we'll use the example of uploading a mass upload of journal in GL. So both things will be covered in this video. So first of all, we have to log into Octane. Just taking some time. Okay, so we already there. So these are different instances, like we did where ITC1, ITC2. Now we are in the third stage, final stage as UAT. So there are different test scripts uploaded by Deloitte. So I will filter with my name. These tests are allocated to me. So we'll test this one, mass upload. So when you click there, it will show at the top. It's a suite. When you click, maybe there are more than one test, but in this case, there's only one. Like if you go back and check this one. So it has different test scenario. So in one suite you have different test script, could be. So so we are testing this GM upload. So select this thing. So there are different way to run this thing. So these are the steps which we have to follow in SAP. So it's, as I said, that it's a mass upload script. So we have to just upload mass upload and mark it when it is done. So what we'll do, like this is the steps, basic steps. That first you have to make enter data in Excel file, then convert into TXT text file, then upload this thing. If everything goes well, you will do it, mark it as passed. So let's start in SAP. So only thing we need is this T code. So I'm moving my SAP screen here. So first I will show you the file I made for this thing. So this is the file I made in Excel. It's a simple uh, upload file. Document type is there, crunch is there, date is there, and whatever the GL account you want to mention, and everything is there. So after making this thing, you have to save it as save as text file. So text file will be txt, this one. You just make it and save it. As I already made it, so I'm not just repeating this stuff. So we are closing this file and we are just finding the path and upload this thing. So it is probably, so it is there. So this is the Excel file and I converted it into txt file. So just select this file and mark it as text run. Just run an error file if there is something. So I execute this thing. Success data, it is validated but not uploaded because it is in test mode. So we go back, remove this test run, and then execute this thing. Success document posted. So it is successfully posted, and document number, I believe 126. Let's open it. It is not showing it. Okay. I'll go back, and that's it. And you can check even in that F and FB03. So posted date is 20th, I think I posted in 20th. Document type is essay, probably it will come. Let's see how many is. Yeah, mass upload. So see, this is 23rd of March. This is a mass upload thing. It is there. And this is the document number which we saw when we uploaded. So these are the things. So this is how we enter it. So simply what you have to do, you have now go back to Octane, go to detail, select run, and new window will open. I'm just bringing it here. So here. So now it's up to you. You can add, write whatever thing you want to write. You can add any screenshot or something like this. So what I'm following, I'm just writing yes, everything like okay. It is successfully uploaded. So simply like this. And in the end, I will upload a screenshot of this thing. And like for example, I can take, and I don't have any picture. So simply you just control C and control V here. It will upload, or you can do it like this. So a screenshot just for the reference purpose, and you can make it pass. If it is failed, you can select failed, and you can mention the reason what is, or if this script is not related to you, you can also select skipped. But in our case, we just select pass, and then you have to stop it, not before this thing. So pass, then stop. So it is passed now. Go back, and when you see the transcripts, so this one is passed. So these one are the remaining one, which I will do later on. So this is just a brief introduction how to work in Octane, and if there is some scenario in which I have to fail the script, I will also share with you. Thank you so much.